Yo, what's up? So this is live 6th hour of the 10,000 hours that I'm trying to finish on YouTube. Anyway, so today plan is to simulate double pendulum just by vibe coding. So I want to simulate double pendulum somehow, maybe on a website or a local machine or something. Then first I need to explain what is a double pendulum. So we'll be using GPT-o3 for the whole video. Let's see, what is a double pendulum? Thinking. Okay, so it's basically telling about the math and everything behind it. Okay, but I have this really nice video.
This is a double pendulum.
So
That's
if you
too
see,
nice of a kick, and then
when you start it,
chaotically.
you cannot predict the motion. Even the slight amount of change in the initial condition can have drastic changes at the after certain time. So we are going to simulate that. Let's simulate a double pendulum. I need a website or a web page that I can share, and I need some functionality to change variables like length, GTH, length, and friction, maybe friction, etc. So let's see. Thinking. Okay, so it gave me a code. Let's see. I wrote a single file web page, real-time campus, save in handy, double click. Alright, let's see. So according to this, if I just save this as a save this as a HTML page, then it should just work. So new folder, double pendulum, new folder, what's the name, not new folder, new file. Is there a way to create a file? Let's see. If I save this and say file, save as, same folder, test.html. Let's see. So ideally if I double click on this, it should, oh interesting, that was quick. So this is crazy. Wow, interesting. So that was quick. So I want to change something. Let's say I want some way to interact where I can take one of the balls or ends and move them in space and leave them to simulate an initial condition. I think if this was so quick, we can figure out a way to basically show the chaotic behavior of a double pendulum. Like what if dude, I can simulate a triple pendulum now. This is crazy. Like O3. Awesome. Copy this code. Is this vibe coding? Cut, copy, paste. I don't mind. Is there a way to edit? Open with, not, let's see. Open. Does this work? Like, did anything change? No, I didn't do anything. 5. This is the new one though. Is this like caching or something? What are you? Resend and apply. Length, kg, damping, gravity. Okay. Pause. It didn't change anything though. I think this is cool. This was quick. Double pendulum, guys, through vibe coding. Awesome.